Pumasa, pero parang nahampas pa nga siya doon. Pero he just took the shot casually and made it.
Nice free-flowing first quarter. Stan Hardinger down low, attacking Santillan. Jamie, quick release. Is fouled. Kisses him off the glass. And with a free throw coming up.
Well, in the first game, in that match between Phoenix and Northport, ang daming 4-point play available. Make the right call so we don't waste it, you know.
Pringle for three, punches it through.
But that's a big challenge because nagkaroon ka ng 3 points because of that challenge. They had to play underneath on the baseline.
Belga off the secondary, two-man game. Sasali nila si Matt. Nasundot ni Mamuyang. 2 seconds to shoot. Kobe. Oh! Come on, Kobe! Si Maverick Anmisi. Shot clock winding down. Anmisi with no space behind the backboard. Kobe-esque on that hit. Unang gumawa niyan, Larry Bird.
Larry Bird.
Pero nagpasabog niyan talaga yung Kobe, di ba?
Si Larry Bird over the bakot pa nga yun.